Vito from Vito's Italian Cucina. Good to be with you again today. Something very special and something very easy. I mean, it doesn't take no time at all. Frozen peas, carrots, corn, and green beans mixed with a riced cauliflower and mixed in some vegetables with there too that I got at Costco. Yeah, Costco. I got a couple packages, I put them together, and I'm gonna show you how I do it on today's show and show you how simple it is. Simple, folks. A salute, a ciao for now. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this portion of the show. This is another portion. Look at how beautiful and delicious this looks. I've got my spoon ready. Wait a minute. I've got my spoon ready to go because I am hungry. Thanks for joining us from Vito's Italian Cucina. A salute.